Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the second session. In previous class, 11 by 10 minus 1 means I am written minus 1 by 10. That is a mistake. Take that is 1 by 10. Now, observe the calculation. This is a minus k by 10. These two is going to cancel. Now, minus k by 10, that is equal to minus 10. Then what is k value? 100. This is the answer. A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, B into 1 by C plus 1 by A, C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. So A into 1 by B, 1 by C plus 1 by C, comma, B into 1 by C plus 1 by A, comma, C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP series. In arithmetic progression, we know that properties. Each and every term, add or subtract or multiply or divide a non-zero constant. The resulting series is also AP. Now I am going to add each and every term by particular constant. That constant is 1. I am going to add 3 terms plus 1. Now the resulting series is also AP only. There is no change in series. 1 by B plus 1. This is also AP series only. Students, are you understood? Each and every term, just I added 1. 1 how to write? Tell me. 1 we can write A by A. 1 I am writing A by A. Here B by B. Here C by C. And these two terms, A take common. Here B common. Third term, C common. Then what happened? C. Now here A common. Remaining is 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by A. Students, are you understood? Multiply with A here, these two terms, you will get this. Multiply these two. A into 1 by A, 1 or not? Yes. Similarly, do the second term also. B into 1 by C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B. Third term, C 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. This is also AP series. Now, each and every term divide with 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Then the resulting series is also AP or not? The resulting series is AP or not? Now we get A comma B comma C. Those are in AP series. Some of the students. So that's why AP, GP, HP related logarithm based questions. See carefully what they are given condition. Log 100 to the base A, comma. Here 2 log 10 to the base B. That is, we can write log 10 square to the base B. The power is in front of logarithm, whatever is there, it's sent to power, comma. Here also same like that. Log 5 square to the base C plus log 4 to the base C. These are in HP series, harmonic progression. Now, log 100 to the base a, comma, log 10 square means 100 to the base b, comma. This is in the form of log m plus log n. What is log m plus log n formula? Log m plus log n. What is the formula, students? Log mn. This is the formula. Now use that. Logarithm of 5 square means 25. 25 fours are 100 to the base c. This is HP. Write the reciprocal. 1 by log, this is how to write, 1 by log 100 to the base a, comma, 1 by log 100 to the base b, comma, 1 by log 100 to the base. HP terms we are written reciprocal means it is going to AP, arithmetic progression. Now, what is log A by B formula? Log A to the base B. That is, we can write log A divided by log B or not. This is one formula. Use that. Denominator log 100 by log A. So that is sent to numerator. Overall, you will get like this. Log A by log 100. Comma. This is log B by log 100. This is log C by log 100. Students, are you understood? These are in AP series. In that series, any term common is there, eliminate that. So log 100 is there in denominator, eliminate. Remaining log A, log B, log C. These are in AP series. Again, what is their common term, log or not? Log also eliminate. You will get A comma B comma C are in AP series. This is the final answer. I think students, all of you understood now. Conditions X, Y, Z are in GP series given. X, Y, Z are in GP. Then what is the condition, students? Y square is equal to XZ. Yes or no? A, B, C are in GP means B square is equal to AC or not? Condition. Now apply logarithm on both sides. Log Y square, that is equal to log of XZ. Now here the power 2 is coming in front of the logarithm. 2 log Y is equal to, this is log Mn. Log Mn formula, log M plus log N. That is log X plus log Z. But in this question, see here, 1 plus log X, 1 plus log Y, 1 plus log Z, like that is there. Here there is no plus 1. Add on both sides 2. 2 plus 2 log Y, that is equal to, I am writing here 1 plus log X plus 1 plus log Z. Students, are you understood? Understood right hand side. 1 plus 1, 2 or not? Both the sides add with 2. But I right hand side 2 means I am written 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Two into 1 plus log y is equal to 1 plus log x, 1 plus log z. Observe this condition. This is in the form of like this. 2b is equal to a plus b, a plus c, sorry. 2b is equal to a plus c. Therefore, here we can say that 1 plus log x, comma, 1 plus log y, comma, 1 plus log z. Those are in which series? AP series. But see the question, that is reciprocal. Write the reverse. 1 by 1 plus log x, 1 by 1 plus log y, 1 by 1 plus log z. AP series I am written reciprocal. It's going to HP series. So final answer is HP series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n. This is denoted with sigma n, sum of n natural numbers formula. What is that? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n are sum of natural numbers. Okay, sum of squares of natural numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on n square. That is equal to, short form we can write sigma n square. Sigma n square. That formula should be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is. Next, sum of cubes of n natural numbers. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on n cube. That is equal to, in short form we can write sigma n cube. That formula is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Sum of even numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on. What is nth term? 2n. This is sigma 2n. That is equal to, formula is what? N into n plus 1. Sum of odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on. What is nth term? That is 2n minus 1. This is equal to sigma summation 2n minus 1. That is equal to, what is the formula? N square. Sum of n natural numbers, sum of squares of n natural numbers, sum of cubes of n natural numbers, sum of even numbers, sum of odd numbers. There are 5 formulas, remember it. Now split that each and every term. Numerator 1, 1, 1 is there. First term I am written 2 minus 1, second term 3 minus 2, third term 4 minus 3, like that. Split 2 by 1 into 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2. This is first term, plus 3 by 2 into 3. This is not 2 point, into 2 by 2 into 3, plus 4 by 3 into 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4, plus and so on. Last term, n plus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 minus n by n into n plus 1. Now see here, 2 by 1 into 2, 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 3, 3 cancel, you will get 1 by 2. 2, 2 cancel, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and so on. Last term, 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. This is. Now observe the cancellation. These two. These two. This is next term. This is next term. Last term cannot be cancelled. So finally, what is the answer? 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. That is n plus 1, n plus 1 minus 1. That is n by n plus 1. This is the answer.